Hey, man.
How are you?
Well, I've never done this before. This is badass.
So what you got going on, Rob?
I flip the camera around, right?
Yep, push that switch button.
There it goes. Okay, so what I got is this. I'm tearing this part out, the washer box. I'm having it relocated over to this wall on the outside in the garage.
Okay.
And then right here, I want my shower valve put up. There's this is the water heater, and he's got kind of a cluster in there. See it? But you can go go overhead with PEX. Man, this is cool. How you guys do this a lot? Like
this is like I just finished building this whole platform that makes us capable of doing this.
This is badass, I'm telling you.
It's basically cutting up your floor, moving all the stuff where we just discussed, and then fixing anything that has to be broken to do that.
Okay. When could you do it? Even if it's later in the week, that'd be okay for you?
Yes, sir. Did you want us to install the toilet and the faucet and the sink and all that too? It'll be faster and easier for you, and it's only a few $100s.
Yeah, because you guys are on top of it. Yeah.
I'm a master plumber that will be doing the work over there for your home, and we do a good job. That's all we know how to do.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Send me the paperwork, and then break it down on how you need to get paid.
And how did you like using the video chat today?
Pretty awesome. This is pretty cool. I've never done it like this, but this is cool. Dude, are you going to market this? I would market this.
Yeah, no, we're offering it to every plumbing and HVAC and electrical and every type of home service company.
That's good, man. That's real. That's real forward thinking. That's really good. I like that a lot.
And then for the DIY side, like there's licensed pros all over the country that instruct the DIY community. So if you actually wanted to do this stuff yourself, and they'll totally teach you how to do it. Well, thank you so much for using my service today, and I'll be in touch later this afternoon.
Good. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.